Good morning, everyone. This is 150 million Rooskies and one car ride. There you go, St. Kate. We are on our way to the post office. We have to register my visa. It's something you have to do in Russia whenever you change location. Our first stay in Moscow, the hotel did it, and now that we're staying with her mom has to register me in this town. So that's what we're doing. Ah, kaboom. Yeah. Ruski accident. So this is a Russian post office. This is they sell stuff. Shampoo. Wow. So, these little toy cars. Oh, sell chocolate and batteries. Oh, and jelly. It's weird. And they have an ATM. Wow. Well, it appears you get punished when you try to be legal. Try to register my passport here, and we spent an hour and a half in the post office. Keeps telling us it's wrong. And then the forms have to be done in two, a double, and they don't have a photocopy. No, they can't do that for you.
And you have to write with your hand. So anytime you do a little mistake, they want a new form, and this is ridiculous. It's only in Russia.
2 pages. So if you make any mistake on either page, you got to redo the entirety of the page. Crazy. Last evening in Russia. Sorry, I know the lights are flickering. Something weird, I think, with the cycle of current that's happening here. There's not much I can do. I've changed the frame rate on here, but anyhow, last night here, we run into one little snag. The people here in Russia are generous. A little bit too generous, because we've had everybody give us stuff. And now we kind of run out of suitcase, because this entirety of this box was given to us. She bought clothing. She bought candy to bring home. And
my mom bought it.
Okay, so Mama bought it.
Yeah,
anyhow,
Mama bought it.
And you see, this is all she brought was 2 little suitcases. And now her mom's given a suitcase. So you see, my suitcase is fine. Although my clothes are still wet and they're drying, and that's our other little snag, is that we washed our clothes today and kind of got a little cold. So I haven't quite dried yet. It's what, late, 9 o'clock?
It's 10 p.m.
No, it's almost midnight and we have no dry clothes to pack. But you have big woolly socks.
Yeah. Look. It's pretty.
Well, it's midnight. We gotta get up early to catch the next flight to the 3rd stop on our European trip. And yes, we are leaving Russia. The 3rd stop will not be Russia. Come to Krasnodar. This is the boarding procedure. Even if it's snowing and raining, you're on the stairs. Flight 1 of the day. Flight 1 of like a tuna salad, beef with pasta. They also had a fish. We got bread, butter, cheese, more bread, some kind of pastry, mayonnaise, and real silverware. Like not plastic, silverware. Not bad.
В интересах вашей безопасности просим вас оставаться на своих местах. Ladies and gentlemen, our aircraft has landed at the Schipol Airport in Amsterdam. The weather in Amsterdam is good and the temperature is plus 21 degrees Celsius. The local time is 4:40 p.m. and the time difference between Moscow and Amsterdam is minus 1 hour.
That's weird. All right, you ready to see the next stop on our European vacation here? That's right, Amsterdam, baby. If you follow the vlog for any amount of time, you know how much little one here loves flowers. So we are here today for the, how do you say it?
Keukenhof Park. The tulip park.
Yeah, that
Keukenhof.
whole big huge park full of tulips and flowers and that she's been wanting to see her entire life. So that's why we are in Amsterdam, not to smoke weed and see the red light district. Although that might be fun. We're here to see flowers. Here at the Schipol Airport, I think I'm saying that right. Trying to find a ATM so we can get some euros because we are hungry. We need to eat something. Bam, got some euros. Now we gotta find something to eat. Take a little tour of this airport. It's kind of neat looking. They got a BMW up here for some type of taxi service. Train. I don't know why we just scan it there. Get your Burger King on right there. So there you go. This is the front side, the before security and all that. Right now we're gonna go get a little bit of breakfast and try some of these churros. I know they're not exactly a Netherlands specialty, but we got some churros and I got a Belgian waffle. A little sweet taste of Holland stand right outside the airport. And after this, we're going to the gardens. So this is my second day in Amsterdam and I just got my bag back because Aeroflot sent it. I don't know where. And not only bad enough that they lost it, look what they did to it. The freaking wires hanging out of it. It's got pretty beat up. Thanks, Aeroflot. Time to wrap up the vlog, but before I do, just one thing. I promise you next vlog we'll have the Camaro. She's all back together. I have an appointment Monday to bring in the fender and have it wet sanded so it's smooth out and looks like the rest of the car. To me, I think the front end looks pretty good. I'm not going to mess with that. So hopefully you enjoyed the little deviation of the tour. You know, Cars Coffee life. And this is part of life, is traveling, experiencing new cultures and countries and other things like that. As much as I would love to do nothing but car stuff, you know, I don't have the money or the resources as of yet too, but we're growing the channel, so hopefully maybe more will get a little more focused on that, although I do love traveling. And I love sharing what I learned and the experiences and helping other people. So I'm going to have a few more videos coming up on some of that stuff. But we will definitely get back to some car content because the Camaro is back on the road and we're ready to race it. Anyhow, I'd like to thank my wife's mom, for having us at her house for about a week. She served me a lot of coffee. I'd like to thank her sister and her husband Sergey for having us over to his house for a night, and thank you for cooking. And her cousin, I think it is, Sasha, his daughter gave me this cool little plaque here from Sochi. And Sergey gave me some vodka right from Siberia, which is pretty cool. And it's right here. And that's screwed to the wall, and that's where that will be. So thank you, everyone. There's also another aunt, I'm sorry, I don't know the names, that had us over for a night as well. Or no, not a night. We stayed there for a day. So again, thank you for having us. To me, sorry, it's a little frustrating not being able to communicate, and I know that's my fault for not learning more Russian than what I have learned. But I did find out that there's a difference between taking courses online and learning Russian, and you hear native speakers, because you guys are very fast at putting out words. But anyhow, thank you everyone for having me. Thank you, my subscribers, and everyone for your continued support, and thank you for your support as me and my wife take our little European trip. So again, we will get back to the car content. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't. Give me a thumbs up. And hopefully we'll see you on the next car adventure or vacation.
Where do you want me to put it? Right here or are you carrying it?
I'm not carrying it. You're the one that want a bag.
Be quiet.
She's done with it.
Wow.
She's just done with it.
Wow. See what I gotta deal with?